Okay, welcome here everybody. I'm taking part on share service design holidays. Baby, nobody knows. That's why. So I'm taking part. I studied art and communication design. I'm Korean. Then I studied also the research method and innovation in US. I work UX designer, service designer in Seoul and California. That I went to my PhD from business school. That I worked around 10 years in Tokyo Tech, and then I joined 2 years ago service design program with you. Exactly, our service design is 3-year baby. So this is the first our graduate student. Let's introduce yourself.
Hello everyone, welcome to PolyU Design. So I'm the first year, the first cohort of graduate in service design PolyU student. So which is I'm studying year 4. Yeah.
So today we will work together. Okay. So let's see one promotion video.
That makes that help.
What is this?
This person, the shit that up in plate will. Oh, there's
What happened?
single choice. This with the
Sorry.
was there. What did we say? We can't think the things. I will keep all like the ship crack all it up.
Let's skip.
Away. So, very clear. Curve, hold, corner, time, then on. This,
So let's just
skip.
why is service design in Hong Kong?
More.
Clearly, Hong Kong, when we consider industry, 93% of GDP from Hong Kong industry is a service industry. So, easily we can see long time ago, manufacturing, product design, product design, as design. But now, UX design, service design, system design, has extended the tongue and cunning of design. So, long time ago, people thought about what is design? Oh, beautiful. Oh, this is so functional. This is product and graphic design is design. Now, after 2000, after internet, people try to think about interaction design, interface design, now UX design. Now, finally, we thought about service design. And then service design cover human experience and how to understand complexity, then what is actually opportunity of business we are thinking about it. So I will show you an example today. So 2 years ago, we started service design program at PolyU, very new program. So after foundation year, and then we will move on service design cluster. After service design cluster, in green, we done service design specialist, and then student will graduate. This is program structure. Okay, so PolyU service design, what we focus? Actually, we focus finance and financial service industry because Hong Kong, everybody understands Hong Kong is a financial city, right? But there is some kind of limitation when people think about finance is business, or sometimes finance is technology. People will not think about finance as design. So service design try to launch how to finance as design service that because there are huge volume of opportunity to move on as design. So first we focus, that's why public industry, for example, Franklin Elspo, Hong FDI also cover project and healthcare, public community service, and then the education and environment inclusive service as well. But here, one thing I want to say, service design, of course this is not easy, exciting and difficult, but at the same time, salary is comparatively very high than other design displays. Because we are working together with other business people, we are working together with other engineers. This is the reason why service designers' life is very sustainable. Remember, sustainable, financially very sustainable. So still, we don't know what is service design. Here is the example. After studying, after working, I moved to Tokyo 2013. This is 12 years ago story. 12 years ago, when I moved to Japan from United States, every time we should do two things when you apply, you simply a country. First, try to make your bank account. Second, you need your telephone number, right? So of course, I just the first time arrived in Japan. So I wanted to go city up. Because I'm foreigner, at that time I cannot speak Japanese. So my colleague, oh, you should go city bank. Okay, I went to city bank. But Japan is very complicated city, where system is very strong. So I explained, they cannot understand. They explain, I cannot understand. But human has a human body language. So I use around 30 minutes. Then almost finished the process to make bank account. Then finally, the teller told me one question. This one, お客様、日本では口座番号を作るのために電話番号が必要ですよ。The meaning is, in Japan, in order to make your bank account, you need a telephone number. Wow, this is the first semester. Oh, I say, well, thank you so much. Oh, this is really wonderful. So I went to the Gongi software bank. So, of course, they cannot speak English, cannot speak Japanese, use other language, but it became a little bit comfortable because this is the second time. So, okay, so it took 30 minutes, and then I almost finished to make my telephone number. But suddenly, the staff asked me, you guess what is the question? お客様、日本では電話番号を作るのためにこういった番号が必要ですよ。In Japan, if you want to make telephone number, you need bank account. What a wonderful city. So this is the thing why service is important. So foreigners, so at that time now I think different. Citibank system is so perfect, design is so good, but we don't have any service to connect each other. This is people problem. So service design meaning is we actually users had some kind of challenge. What is users needs? My needs? I cannot a bad word. What is this? And then upset. So service designer try to solve that kind of issue. Of course, this is very good for business. This is very good for business. If they can solve this problem and their customer will be satisfied, the experience will be very smooth. This is one good example of service design. So our mission, motto is, if we understand humans' complexity, humans' needs, humans' desire, there is business opportunity. If we get this business opportunity, it is financially successful. This is the reason why service design is very expensive. Because, let's see, long time ago, if this is car company, okay, there is one type of car, Toyota, Ford, Honda, Ford, only one. User's perspective, customer perspective, I will concept, I will buy, I will use this car. But now, there's so many different types of car. Tesla, you got EV charge, many things happen. Then, what is actually key driver, what is key value for company perspective. So function, we are rude, we are red, no meaning. That is so good, no meaning. How we can understand personalize the service, how we can make it a better service for customer. This is the reason why service design try to make angle to catch this. So this summary is very easy. So organization knowledge is a car company, Toyota, Honda, Tesla. Whether they make one car, they have knowledge as well. Now, how to make a car is very simple. Of course, this is not too difficult for them, but this is challenging for them. People, human desire keep challenging. So today, I will fix. Tomorrow, I want this. Next day, I need something more. Human desire keep changing. We need something more and more and more. If human desire stop, today's telephone is wonderful. There is no tomorrow's coming. But human desire is keep changing. This is that's why service design has a certain opportunities. Why we should understand talk. Why we should make a certain business opportunity. Why we should make business profitable and things right. So service designer simple. We are because we are shared vocabulary business people, technology engineers, also the other designers. So this is the reason why service design don't be a certain communicator, boundary spanner inside of industry. This is the thing we are doing. We are moving to service designer positioning in design industry, also in business industry as well. So there are a lot of background as a consultant, as a UX designer, or design researcher, or system research you can do after service design program successful. Okay? Successful is keyword. So this is our team. We have a lot of people, also a lot of investment partners, so we are working with them. Especially, we are inviting now many profitable, the social, other companies to work together with our own. So let's look at something more detailed. So this is one class, as I told you, 3 steps. One is understanding people, complexity. Second, there is possibility, business. So that's why this is very profitable and financially valuable. So to understand people, we understand complexity. We need people's behavior, right? People's action. So this is the reason why we are doing this. So example is.
So this example is about students' canteen experience. So from the student, they are wellness, they have to, they want to eat in canteen, and until they order, and when they eating in canteen, and until they finish eating and they eat. So this whole process, whole step, we just break down, and then to create a service user journey map. So this is the storyboard. So it is for easy to read about a whole story, whole step, and the actions. Touch point, emotion, and pain point. According to the emotion up and down, we can find the pain point also to find what is the challenge or what we can provide until this process.
Okay, the other course, let's move on. And this is data-driven service design course. Data-driven, data. Data is different. But we try to understand user-centered, understanding user. This is a small data, interview, observation, but we also get some kind of big data, frequency usage data, or social frequency usage pattern data. This is number, this is that number. How we can combine each other in order to make business decision, in order to understand human complexity. So, service designer, we teach how to understand data. This is one angle of our course job.
So in this course, we just collect a lot of data, whatever is part of the data or secondary data, we will combine together and try to analysis. So make it more clear, like a pie chart, line chart to let our client or the professor understand what we can find, what is our emphasized data here, and also to find an insight in this kind of data.
Okay, next class is Kamai's class. So Kamai is next presenter. Solution service design teacher. So system thinking visualization class. How I teach that kind of complexity and how we can systematically understand. Our society is a lot of system, small system, big system, or system of system, and the super system. So some designers understand, as I told you, banking system and telecom system like linked to each other. That's why digital service people observe. So this is one thing fundamentally how we can understand is that space. Okay, this is my course. Collaboration with the future technology, Hong Kong airport passenger team. So let's see. Student made this year 2 student. So here's the situation. Hong Kong airport has a 3 check-in system. One is traditional check-in, face-to-face. Second one shows face token. Third one, mobile check-in system. Of course, when they launch, they will get convenient valuable customer. But actually, this is not so convenient for people or even they don't know what this is. Also, people finally kind of noisy because there are so many information. So, airport is not really like this. But customer, their service quality, the reality is here. How we can make this is our role, right? Then solution, because this is future technology, we try to understand what kind of future solution. So global solution, second system, engine check-in, without any challenge. Today, we find it and then visual notes. Let's just see solution. Hopefully this solution will be good. Maybe this is okay. Okay. This is not okay. I have the other way to visualize. We have the other file. Let's see here. I think this room, internet connection takes this. Because every movie is connected. I was so good to show you. It's difficult. How can I? Let's see. Something like a robot, and the robot comes, and then this is student operator, teleoperated robot. It is about how to do refocus, wayfinding, and then noisy information. So this is the reason why students explain about how to do operating. I think I have a wonderful idea. Wait a minute, sorry. Let's go. Connect with my iPhone. Name and question. See it? But like this. Oh, there is a project here.
Please place the QR code for the online shopping and scan it below. Place your passport down the front of the gazing glass. Hold the passport in the same position. Hi, how may I help you? Sure, we can wait for the right now in the street. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.
Okay, let's see how to apply. No stop bro. Now I know how to control.
喂，而家得翻3分鐘就要 check in 啦。
係唔使急，check in 問候高仔咪得咯。撳我塊 mon 就可以 check in 㗎啦。
咦，原來你哋去台灣啊？準備咗簽證未啊？可以放呢度喎。而家揾人幫你 check 下先。
Hello。
搞掂晒啦，玩得開心，我哋下次見啦。趕時間唔驚，高仔有晒 plan。係咪想登記？高仔幫緊你。
行李擺我後面就得㗎啦。等我幫你啦。真係好犀利喎！等我幫你啦。
拜拜。
拜拜啊，高仔。
行李託運太麻煩，高仔手臂冇困難。
So like this way, we have many projects together with China industry collaborator. This is year 4. We invited some project with some people also. Let's listen. So far, that you guys, after 1 year later, once she has a certain feeling or change her mindset.
So at the first meeting, when I first time to hear civil design, this vocabulary and this method, I'm thinking it is really simple. So I make a really easy example, like civil design is like a ship. They try to provide productions and like provide a delicious food to our customer and let our customer to satisfactions. But after I'm learning civil designs, I think civil design it is not only a food. It is also have connection about kitchens, the environment in the restaurant, and also the staff's attitudes it is all the system. It's not just a point. It's a whole system. So, for example, the clean menus means the customer they have to know what I can order in this restaurant. So the service provider, the chief, they were thinking like what I can provide for our customer today. So make sure this is the service design blueprint, the concept match values. And the second, we have understand each person's role because we have to very clearly to understand what I can provide and who in charge about cooking, who in charge about service, like face to the customers. So and also the employee feeling is also important because a good employee feeling can provide a good product to our customer. So both stage is a backstage, and then after we give food to our customer, they will like tasting or experience our restaurant service. So this is the user journey map in service design. And after that, you will hear, sometimes you will hear the waiter trying to asking you like, how do you like our food? Do you have any comment to our food? So this is, we try to find the customer feedback, which is the pain point in service design. So according to the whole system, we try to analysis and find what kind of challenge for service designer and what kind of bug we can fix it. So to create an innovative solutions. So this is the service design. So the first example, it is actually called product design thinking, just like a ship. The goal is to create the delicious food. So we focus on the final presentation on the plate. It is one-time delivery. But if we focus on first service design thinking, it will like a restaurant director. So our goal is to design the whole restaurant operation system, and we will focus on system perspective, the collaboration, and continue to deliver from the holistic experience.
So that's why we invite the year 4 student 5 projects.
Yeah. So this year we have 5 things about our capstone project. So there are 5 company or 5 things The first one is Pink Frog, which is a Korean children's entertainment companies. And second is MOX, Hong Kong Digital Bank. And Rest Hub is an agency in PolyU to care about children's mental health. And the Hong Kong export and also the Hong Kong street markets. So because me and my team, we are focused on MOX, so I will talk a little more about MOX. So the first beginning, we should figure out what is our client, what they want, what is their target user. So we think young generation is their target user, and they also mentioned. So the challenge they are facing it is how we can transform the personal finance from the burden into an enjoyment for young generations. Like we all know, for young generation, the issue isn't they don't think financial management is not important. It is because financial management makes them boring, or they think this is kind of pleasure. So our mission is to let MOX to be addictive and social media and gaming.
Okay, not just industry collaboration, we do collaboration with other universities in Japan. So this case, we work together joint project collaboration with Yosashino Art University in Japan this summer. So we went there Tokyo, and the Bandai Namco project we did it together. This is we visited some kind of design agency and the people company we invited, and that's why they launched this project. This is process how we can do. Musashino artist got 15 students, and our PolyU some design student, 15, 30 students, they work together and then they do collaboration to make a kind of new service for Bandai Namco game design. What make?
Yeah, so the first meeting, we just go to the Bandai Namco's game centers to observation and explain more the game machine for us.
That was Tokyo, yeah, from Japan, Tokyo.
And we learned a new skill. It is called Wakamama.
So what is Wakamama? So this is a very Japanese way. For example, Wakamama is people is something I want to do, but you shouldn't do. But you can do your game location. For example, clear example. I'm a teacher, right? So if I today is late in classroom, I cannot punch hard. Why you are so late? I cannot because I'm a teacher. But inside the home, I want punch her. Then you can do because this is game. This is what mother does. Okay, one.
Okay. Don't touch me, okay?
Okay. Don't worry.
Okay. So according to our observations, we realize that some kind of evil plays in our mindset. We think more angry means more happiness. So according to these concept, we just create a prototype in 3 days. Like this machine is kind of tell people to kick the water to the bowl, to the screen, and let people angry and make them happiness. So yeah, just a sample here. Yeah, and this is the final presentation in Tokyo, and we use projector to pose this to the to hear like such as the screen to make it more
Keep the paddle.
This is the game we developed a game solution. Okay, let's finalize with this movie create because we didn't have this connection. Okay, this is promotion video, substitute over scientific, very balanced.
Make it in the service is that's summary. Okay, what is a single undergraduate program here?
for service design. That's why we launched the first Bachelor of Art with service design in 8 steps. We cut new, connect business, people, and technology. Focus on factors like finance, healthcare, and hospitality. And in hands-on, you will work on new projects to get user implemented, like Volkswagen and Hong Kong International Airport. Our goals: the more influence sector, the more data-oriented, but most by nation better.
Hong Kong runs on service. Service designers help organizations and American services understand what their customer needs and identify where to improve and innovate services. How do we do that? You will learn how to map user journeys, identify value needs, and prototype your solution so that everyone can see, feel, or innovate by ideas. You will also learn how to measure results, faster services, fewer mistakes, lower costs, or happier customers and employees.
It's not just about tools, it's about mindset. We're about empathy, systems thinking, and creative problem-solving skills. These help you tackle big challenges, from improving government services for the elderly, to designing community support systems, to imagining after-school programs. Bachelor of Arts in Service Design, where human-centered thinking means different so. Join us and help design the services that we have tomorrow.
Okay, thank you so much. Join us.